In this video, I will show you how to switch your Threads account on Instagram. So let's jump straight into it. In order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the Threads app on your device. From here, what you're going to want to do is come down to the bottom right hand corner and go ahead and click onto your profile icon. So this is going to take you across to your profile. Now to actually change and switch to another profile on Threads, all you want to do is click the menu, which is the two lines in the top right hand corner, come down and click onto log out. And when the confirmation comes up, go ahead again and click on to log out. So it's just going to take a minute to log out, and you'll see it's automatically set to log in with the Instagram now I'm logged into. Now if you look underneath the login box, you're going to see the option to switch accounts. So all you want to do is press onto this, and then you can go ahead and choose which account you want to switch to. So I'm going to go ahead and log in with this one as an example, and as you can see it's going to log me in. If I come back to my profile, you'll see we're now logged into another account. So that is how you go ahead and switch Threads accounts on Instagram. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.